Hi, and welcome to my things to do. My thing to do today, make homemade butter. I've been wanting to make butter for myself for quite a while now, and I just kept thinking it's got to be really hard to do, just has to be really hard to do. But you know what? It's not, and it takes less than 10 minutes, maybe 15 total, and that's shaping it and putting it into the bowl too. So join me while I make butter. 1.5, maybe just a little over cups of heavy cream inside of my my stand mixer, and I've got the whisk attachment attached to it. Let's go ahead and lock it in, and I'm going to go ahead and whisk this. I'm not going to bore you with you having to stand here listening to it whisking the entire time, but let's get it started and then we'll fast forward. At about 2 minutes in, I'm going to turn this down. At about 2 minutes in, I've got whipped cream right now, which I absolutely love making with my heavy cream. So this is about 2 minutes in. We're going to let it keep on going, and you'll see what happens to it next. I'm at about the 5-minute mark, and I'm going to go ahead and just get some of this off of the sides of the bowl, bring it down with my spatula here. Let's go ahead and continue whisking for a few more minutes. As you can see right now, it looks like a curled mess, and that's actually what you're looking for. You're going to keep on whisking. We're almost done. We almost have butter. Alright, right now, if you can see inside, the butter has stuck to my whisk, which is great. It's exactly what I want. This is the butter. What's inside of the bowl right now is buttermilk. We're going to save that for another recipe. So let's go ahead and get our butter off of our whisk and get it strained. Alright, so I'm pouring the buttermilk out and into my strainer. And let's get this butter off of my whisk as well. And get it in the strainer. We're going to rinse the butter next. You want to rinse it so that you get all the buttermilk off, and so that you can keep your butter good for the next few weeks, which in this house and the way I love butter, that's just not going to last. I mean, this may last me a couple of days because I love butter. Plus I have a lot of plans for my butter. I'm going to pour my buttermilk into a mason jar and save it for another recipe. Who knows what I'm going to make with it? I don't even know yet. Let me go ahead and rinse the butter, and you want to rinse the butter until it runs clear. I'm going to save you the step of watching me rinse that in the sink, but just trust me, you want to rinse it until it runs clear. Be back. And voila, we have butter and buttermilk. I like my butter to be unsalted. I do use recipes that will, I'll add salt into it later. You can add salt at this point and stir it in if you would like, or you could have done that while you were mixing. Either way, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy some of this. In fact, where's my spoon? Yes, I'm going to taste my butter raw because you know what? I just love butter that much. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love it. I absolutely love it. Make your own butter. It was my thing to do today. Why don't you make it your thing to do too? Bye.